You know what? I have an entire video on this. It's one of the very first videos that I made. It's you can find it on my YouTube. It's called the Data Science Roadmap for Students. And what I did there was I looked at the different things that are available now, and I thought about how I became a data scientist, and I basically updated that roadmap for, kind of like the current state in 2024. So I lay out those items there, and I also provide a coding challenge in there. And by the way, I'm going to say this again, nobody has come back to me yet with that coding challenge. In the video, I promised to help people that come back to the coding challenge. Nobody has done it yet. I'm just saying. But yeah, go check out that video. It's one of my longest videos too. But I do kind of lay out everything that I would be doing if I wanted to, become a data scientist. But also very key is the very first thing I ask you to do is I ask you to read a book, Mastery by Robert Greene, because really the purpose of becoming a data scientist is to follow your passion, not just to, try to get a remote job or to get a high paying job or things like that, right? The whole point is to follow your passion. So maybe it's data science, maybe it's not. Either way, that's okay. But yeah, that's what I would encourage you to do. Visit that video. It just lays out what I would do, what I would study. And then on top of that, I recommend the Introduction to Statistical Learning book. I am doing an instructional series on that every Sunday. We just had our first session, and we're going to have another 7 sessions where we're going to cover each chapter. This last session went fantastic. People were participating, got some great answers. Some people in this chat were there. So I think Himsteak was there and a couple other people that I've seen in the chat today. But we had some great participation, great back and forth. So come join us for that. That can generally be appropriate for beginners. You might miss a couple things, but that's okay. You can always watch the replay. The replay's up on my YouTube also.